The phrases back out, unveiled. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we're going to explore the meaning of back out. Stick around to master its nuances and usage. Back out is a phrasal verb and can be used in multiple contexts. Let's explore some of its most common meanings. 1. To withdraw from a commitment or agreement. For example, if someone agrees to do a project and later decides not to, they have backed out of the project. 2. Example, John backed out of the plan at the last minute. 3. To move backward out of a space. This is often used in the context of driving. When a vehicle moves in reverse out of a parking spot or driveway, it backs out. 4. Example, make sure the road is clear before you back out of the driveway. Understanding the different contexts in which back out can be used is crucial for mastering its use. Let's explore. 1. Informal agreements or contracts. Often, there might be penalties or consequences for those who back out. 2. Example, the company wanted to back out of the deal, but they had already signed the contract. 3. In casual plans among friends. It's common to hear this phrase when someone changes their mind about attending an event or participating in some activity. 4. Example, we were all set for the trip, but Sarah backed out because she wasn't feeling well. 5. Physical movement. As mentioned earlier, it can refer to the act of moving backward, especially in the context of vehicles. 6. Example, I saw the cat behind the car, so I waited for it to move before I backed out. Knowing synonyms for back out can also help you understand its meaning better and enrich your vocabulary. 1. For withdrawing from a commitment. 2. Renounce. 3. Abandon. 4. Retreat. 5. Rescind. 6. For moving backward out of a space. 7. Reverse. 8. Retreat. 9. Withdraw. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, back out. Now you know how to use it in various contexts. Whether it's making or breaking plans or simply driving a car. Always remember, understanding the nuances of phrasal verbs can make a big difference in mastering the English language. Hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, keep exploring and learning.